Alright, what's up everybody? Welcome back to a new video. To my new subscribers, thank you for hitting that subscribe button. To my already subscribers that's been down, been hitting me up, thank you all for hitting that like button. Also dropping comments. Also hit me up on IG. I greatly appreciate you all coming to me and just hitting me up, asking me stuff, putting me on game. I thank you all. Also, people in my comment section, y'all been killing the comment section, just giving me some encouragement to keep pushing and making this content for y'all. Because again, nobody making this human made shit like I am, and I'm just trying to fill that void for you all. I'm not trying to be the head of something of this community, but I just want to bring light to this brand because it's really like underrated, and I just want to bring some light to it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm doing it for y'all, and plus I like the brand myself. As you can see, I'm wearing a shirt right now. Boom, this is one of my favorite shirts. I caught it a while back. It's a 2X, but one of my favorites. Again, yeah, if y'all want to hit me up on Instagram at mattxi.exe. Feel free to inbox me, DM me, whatever you want to do, just hit me up. I'll chat it up with you. Drop a comment down below. I'll have a conversation with you there. So I'm not just gonna hit the like button and keep it pushing. I will communicate. So today's video is gonna be about me showing you all what I picked up. About 2 weeks ago, it finally came in. It was gonna be last Sunday video, but it didn't come in on time. So I had to do the filler video with the Louis Vuitton and the Human Made collab. So now I'm giving you all some new shit that I had bought. So I hope you all like it. And one of my packages been here for a while. I was just waiting for the other package to come in. So without further ado, let's begin the video. Let's get to the unboxing. All right, first package that I got. Bust this right open, get my knife. All right. Trust, I've been waiting to open this stuff for the longest for y'all and get it up for y'all to see.
That's what she said.
Michael, please.
So I'm finally doing it. I'm glad it's here. Receipt. I just like the way they do their receipts. What would you call this? Little, I forgot what you call it. Anyway, yeah. So the first thing that this order been in for a while. This order has been in for about 2 weeks, and I've been waiting an extra week for my second order to come. So this is from about 2 weeks ago that I ordered. Damn, all this damn wax paper. So, but I finally got me one of these duck t-shirts. I don't know, I just like the duck and the polar bear design way more than I like the pig design. But I decided to go with this black tee. They had a white version, I believe, but I decided to go with the black version of the t-shirt because I have way too many white tees of Human Made, as you can see. Again, the quality is A1. I promise y'all. To the people that won in the contest, that won the t-shirt, let everybody know how that quality is. But anyway, so that's the front print. This the back print. It just says focus. There you go. Just the Human Made logo. Boom. And on the inside as well, you have it stitched in on the tag. And at the bottom, I got the sizing. So I'm just letting you all know right now. Yeah. So the sizing is 2XL. So the sizing, I'll always go with 2XLs. But I see one of my subscribers hit me up in the comment section to ask for like, can you do like a video comparing and contrasting the sizes from extra large to 2XL? But I'll do you one better. What I would do is I'll get a large and extra large so I can show the difference between all three. So I would do that for you. And I'm not gonna keep those shirts, I'm gonna resell them. I'm gonna say this too. I'm not gonna be giving away a lot of t-shirts because these things aren't cheap. They aren't cheap at all. So what I'll do, if there's a t-shirt that I'm like, I'm not really fucking with, but if I'm like willing to give it up for a nice, like if you offer me a price for one of my shirts, I will sell it to you. I'm not gonna hit you upside the head like most resellers would. Since y'all subscribers, I'll give y'all like a really good deal, but it gotta be a good deal on my end too. So both parties are happy. So that, willing to consider reselling my stuff to y'all for a better price than I would sell on Grail, Goat, or StockX. So keep that in mind. All right, we're gonna get to the second box that I got. Gonna bless this open right here. All right, ooh, let's go with this one first. So I had to get this accessory. It comes in a little bitty, it's little tiny poly mailer bag. So what I got was something for my keychain. Yeah, so I bought this. I don't know if it's gonna focus, but I'll just be B-roll of this. So I decided to buy this keychain. I seen they had like 2 other versions. They had the duck. Well, they had, of course, they had the duck, the polar bear, and I would say the pig as well of this keychain. But I decided to go with the duck, and all of them really sold out in a heartbeat. I mean, these shit sold out so fucking quick. I'm glad I decided to go with the duck instead. Also, on the key ring, like the part that locks and part like with the key ring, it says geared for futuristic teenagers on the ring, which is really dope. I like that little piece of detail they added on here. And on the back, it just says Storm Cowboy. And I finally found out what the hell a Storm Cowboy is. This little bastard, hold on. This little dude is the Storm Cowboy. So I finally found out what the Storm Cowboy is. I don't know what it is. Apparently I heard he was like a monkey or something. But yeah, I found out what the Storm Cowboy is, and it's this little dude. But these little keychains I seen on, what it was, I seen it on Grail for $130. $130. $130. So the keychain cost me about $10, $15, and they flipping it on fucking Grail for like $130. I'm like, should I sell it? I ain't gonna sell it for $130, but I'd rather sell it for a better price that I know I can sell it for it. But $130, I feel like that's a reach for a keychain or a keyring keychain or whatever. But I'm not gonna go with that. Like, I'm not gonna do it for $130. I'll probably sell it for like 60, 80 something dollars. So then I could buy another t-shirt with that money, then boom. But if somebody wanna buy it for $130, shit, I ain't gonna say no. So anyway, let's go to the second t-shirt that I got. Now this is my favorite one. This one is my favorite one. I didn't like the black version because the black version was just kind of plain, but oh my God, but this, I don't know why, but I caught this so damn quick. All right, so there it is. So this the t-shirt that I caught. This was the t-shirt that I was waiting on. Like, I thought this t-shirt was just so fire. I had to cop it. It's just so simple. Human made dry alls, boom. Done. It's just a simple design and I just like it. So if you already know, the quality is A1 with human made, and that's all I gotta say about that. I just can't, man. Screen print, you can't even feel the print. I'm glad you can't feel the print because I don't like some t-shirts. It depends how I'm feeling sometimes or what I'm wearing. Especially with this kind of shirt, I'm glad you can't feel the print on it. I wish I can like feel it yourself. It just like, I forgot what you call the inking technique where it like sits in the garment, not on top of the garment. Yeah, I think this print really dope. Well, the design is really dope, and this one I will be keeping unless I find a better price or a better resale price for it, somebody want to buy it for it. Then I would give it up, and then I could give y'all way more content. I could just buy more stuff from Human Made, and I'm not keeping everything, but if you giving me the right price as an offer for one of my shirts, I'll sell it to you. But it gotta be something that's beneficial for you and me. I'm not gonna hit you upside the head, so don't try to lowball me too much. I want to make some out of this. But if y'all ever see some t-shirts that y'all like that I'm showing off, I may sell it. Also, I'm thinking about opening up like an online store with some things that I want to sell that I'm not gonna keep. So I keep that in mind for future reference. If I start getting a whole bunch of shit that I just know I'm not gonna wear, I'll probably put up on my website for a really good steal of a price that you can beat compared to other resellers. Yeah, this will be a shirt that I may keep depending on somebody give me a really good price for this. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I got a lot. Oh, this package right here, it's for next Sunday. So it's some stuff in here. It's not closed. Well, one piece is kind of. So that's for next week. But again, thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate everybody that's been subscribing, hitting the like button, dropping a comment down below, hit me up on IG, and just showing me so much love. I really appreciate every one of you. It is really pushing me and encouraging me to keep going. Even my friends that I talk to every day, they're like, bro, your video is getting better and better and better and better each video. And I'm seeing it as like myself. And I can't thank nobody else but the people that I normally watch on YouTube that does this, like clothing unboxing, giving out information about brands and stuff like that. So I won't be here without watching them, because I learned my editing ways from the YouTubers that I watch. but I don't take everything that they do. I make some of it my own and unique style and the way I do this. So again, thank you everybody for the encouragement, telling me to keep pushing, keep doing this. Hit the like and subscribe button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. Also, follow me on IG at mattxi.exe. It'll be down below, so y'all just click on it, and boom, you right on my IG page. Chop it up with me. I hit it right back up with you. We just chop it up all day. Thank you all for watching. I'll see y'all next week when I unbox my next one. And I got a bigger unboxing, something way different, but it's still human made, coming in the following week. I don't know how long it's gonna take to get here because they're coming from a resale in Japan, and I'll give y'all more information on that. So an unboxing, or a mystery box unboxing is coming. So again, thank you all for subscribing. I'm out. Peace.